This is the Amazon Basics portable radiator heater, and I'm going to teach you how to assemble it and use it. And it's very simple to assemble, and all you're going to need is Phillips screwdriver, and that's it. Let me show you all that it comes with. It comes with this instructions and user manual. Make sure you hold on to this information just like you do with all your important paperwork. It also comes with these caster wheels to make it portable. You're also going to be getting this U-shaped bolt to put one of the caster wheels on. You're also going to have 4 wing nuts so you can attach the caster wheels on. You're going to be receiving 2 screws so you can attach the cord holders on. And these are the cord holders that we're going to attach with a screwdriver. Now we're going to tip over the unit. And now we're going to attach the caster wheels. Please note that there are holes here, and that is where the screws are going to line up. Then we're going to get our wing nuts and start tightening it. And now with this U-bolt, we're going to attach it to the bottom fin. As you notice, it's sticking out right here. And now we're going to attach it to the caster wheels. Once you slip it through, you're going to use the wing nuts. Pretty easy, right? And now we're going to put it upright. Now you may hear liquid, and that's normal. That's the oil inside it. And it is sealed. Now, as you can see, there are 7 fins for the radiator to radiate. And right here are the air vents. And what we're going to do is put these knobs on one of the sides. Now, if you notice, you can do it on either side for the cord wraps. It's up to you, whatever side's more convenient. Now we're going to use the screw with a screwdriver to attach these cord wrap knobs. And now we're going to repeat this step with the bottom cord wrap. And now we are finished. Wasn't that simple? And now we can plug it in. Make sure you plug it in to the wall outlet. Don't put it into a surge protector or extension cord. Now, once you plug it in, you're going to notice this light indicator turns on, indicating that it is plugged in, ready to go. Now you're going to notice that there's a handle here on top, and that is so you can easily move the unit. You're also going to notice 2 knobs. The first knob has 3 settings, and that is for low, which is 600 watts, medium, which is 900 watts, and high, which would be 1500 watts. Once you have that on, then you could rotate this knob to do the temperature. Once it reaches the desired temperature that you want, you're going to have this go counterclockwise until it clicks, and then it will hold the unit temperature as you choose. Now, when you first turn on the unit, you may hear bubbling, and that's the oil inside. And to clean it, it's very easy. Make sure it's in the unplugged position and off, and use a damp cloth to clean up all the dust. This is a really great product, and it's by Amazon Basics. It's 1500 watts and very easy to assemble. And this is great to use for spring, winter, and fall too. This is such an easy product to put together. And this is also intended for indoor use for rooms between 120 to 160 square feet. Great for bedrooms, offices, living rooms, and so much more. Now, when you first turn on the unit, you will be hearing crackling sounds, but that's the oil inside and will dissipate after you're using it. But you are going to hear that each time you turn the unit on. That's just the oil inside. This unit really works great. I'm already feeling the heat. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.